Hello guys, okay, I'm Nid here again. Today we are going to be drawing this, we're going to be modeling this in Fusion 360. So let's start. First we are going to draw this part. Yeah. So to start, we are going to create our sketch and choose this plane. Now use your line tool and then draw the desired shape. So as you can see, from here to here is 64, which means from here to here is also 64. But we are going to be drawing it from here to here 10, 5, 30, 5, then the rest, which is 24. So we're going to start with our 10 and 5, 5, then 24. Alright, so it should all add up to 64. It should all add up to 64. Now draw from here to here to be 16. Right. Then downwards, let's check. Okay, here should be 16. So 64 minus 16, that will be 48. So 48. Sorry, I'm checking it again. Alright. So click on escape. Then use your line tool and draw from here to there 96. 96. Then upwards 16. 16. Make sure it's 16. Then connect it to this side. Yeah. Let's check. Here is 96. Yeah. So that's just it. After that, then you extrude this one. The extrude button, extrude it by, let's check, 64. Okay. 64. Enter. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to select this face. Then we are going to draw this part here, right? But we are going to do it in a certain way. Start by taking this side, draw from here to there 40, then to there 22, and connect it back to this side. And the same thing applies to this place, 40, 22, then join to this side. Now draw from here to here. Here to here is 40, right? So 25. And come to this side, 12. Then connect it here. Make sure the angle is 90 degrees. So 25 again. Okay. And here to 25, 12. Then connect it downwards to 25. Make sure the angle is 90 degrees. If it's not 90, you can change it by using the tab. 90 degrees. So enter. Right. Now all we need to do is extrude this part upwards by 30. Good. Now we are going to as you can see here, there is some kind of space down here, right? You're going to draw that space, and there's also this and this circle. You guys can see it, but this circle down there. Okay. All right. So let's draw that. So select this face again. Click on the line to go to this part, the middle. As you can see a green X and a triangle at the top. So that is the middle. Draw there from there 10. Why am I saying 10? Because from here, this middle part to here, it should be 26 as it is here. 26, right? Yeah. So we made it 10 because here is already 16. From here to here is 16. So plus 10, that's the 26. Yeah. So what's the radius of that circle? The radius is 6, so the diameter is 12, as you can see it here. And this part too, the diameter of this circle is 16. And from here to here is 20, so we are going to do that one too. 12. Okay. Now zoom in and use your trim tool to trim these lines. Then take your line tool again, get the middle here, draw your 20. Okay, now click C for circle, draw your 16. All right, diameter 16. Now take your line tool again, draw from here to here 8. 8. Then connect it here. If you don't see this circle, don't click. So click it. Now draw from here to here 8 again. 8. And draw from there to here. If you don't see the circle, don't click. Right. Now use your trim tool to trim the unnecessary parts. Alright. Now finish your sketch. Select this and also select this. Now extrude them all the way down. Right, all the way down. Yeah. Now after that, I want you to select this part. Then select it like this. So as you can see here, here is 40. But what should be left here is 12 and 12 here, so that it will add up to the 64. So you are going to draw a line from here to here, 12, right? And draw 5, and connect it to here, 40, and draw another 5 downwards, and connect it here. Now take your trim tool and trim this line because we don't need it. Now finish your sketch. Now select this part and use the multi-select and also select this part too. Now extrude it inwards. Now we don't know the extrusion, so the extrusion is 60, right? So 60, so negative 60, right? So that's just it. We are done with the down part. So let's go to this top part. As you can see on the drawing, here we have the fillet here, which is 10, radius of 10, and we have two circles here. One is 15 and one is 8. So let's do the fillet first. Select this face, click on line. Now let's put it in the middle so that we can all see. Now start from here, draw like this. All right, now use your fillet to select this, apply fillet, enter. Take another one, select this, apply your fillet, enter. Now zoom in, select this part, zoom out, then zoom in here to, sorry, zoom in, shift, select, okay. Now finish your sketch, extrude it -16, right? And you can see that it has been extruded. Now select this part again, create your sketch. Let's bring it in the middle. Now use your line tool again, come to this middle. If you don't see the triangle and the X, that's not the middle part. Come to the middle and go downwards by 10. Some people will be saying, how did I get that 10? So let's check. As you can see from here to there is 54, but the total height is 64. So that means 64 minus 54, that leaves us with 10 here. So that's how I got the 10. Now take your circle to draw it 15, right? Then take your trim tool and trim these lines and finish your sketch. Now extrude this by 5 and then select this part again, click C for circle, then draw another circle of diameter 8. Finish your sketch again, select that circle, you can zoom in so that you can select it well, then extrude it again by 10. So you are done with that part too. Alright, so now we are going to do this part. So select this, create sketch. So I'm going to draw from here to there 40. Click on that, and then from there downwards, right, click on that one too. Now draw from here to here to be 8, exactly 8, right? Then draw from that 8 there to 24. Now click enter. So now you have your 24 and you have your 8, right? Yeah. Now take your circle tool, then go to the middle of the 24. Draw your 24. Now trim. How did I get the 8? See, if from here to here is 40, which it is, that's from here to here 40, and the diameter of the circle is 24. So from here to here will be 24, leaving these two sides. So those two sides add up to 16. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that's how I got it. Now trim this part, trim to remove the double lines. Trim this part too. Now finish your sketch. Select here, then select here too. So use multi-select, then extrude -64. So enter. It has been extruded. So we are done like that. Yeah. So let's check. Hope everything is fine. Okay. Yeah. Everything is fine. So we are done. Thank you for watching. So in case you don't understand anything, just text me as usual.